To get started, first of all go to mysimhub.com and sign in with your credentials. On this page you will find handy setup instructions for getting started with your Quest device. Then click on the dashboard link, and this will take you to a page where you can set up all your learners. So you can type in a student name, and optionally their email address, and then click Add Learner. Now put on your Oculus Quest device, and you'll notice that you have a menu in front of you. Also take some time to look around the environment. Also put your hands in front of your face and move your fingers to double check that the hand tracking is working correctly. At the top of the menu you will see an edit button. Reach out and put your hand in the edit button, and you should see the learners that you've set up on the web page. You can reach out and select one of those learners, and you should see their name appear in the top left of the menu system. Now we recommend trying out the different environments. We have an office environment, and the default street environment. Now you can open the settings button to change things like your CPR duration and whether to use centimeters or inches for the compression depth units. Other icons on the screen are the mask icon, which enables or disables ventilation, and cycles, which for the CPR scenarios is how many times you'll interact with the AED device. We recommend initially going in to a simple practice scenario to start with, like the recovery position.
Place the hand nearest to you at right angles to the body.
This will get you quickly used to interacting with highlighted areas simply by reaching out with your hand to touch the highlight.
Bend the knee farthest from you to a right angle. Carefully roll the person onto their side by pulling on their bent knee. Open their airway by gently tilting their head back and lifting their chin. You should now stay with the person and monitor their condition until help arrives. You may now leave the experience.
You can exit the practice scenario by touching the exit button. The choking scenario also has a cycles button. The larger the cycles, the more abdominal thrusts you will need to do for the person to recover.
Are you choking?
The choking scenario is
Are you
also
choking?
a good scenario to practice having to
Ask, can I help you?
speak loud enough for the decibel meter to register your
Stand
answers.
behind the person. Stand behind the person.
And to learn
Thrust slightly above the belly button.
more complicated interactions.
Almost. Keep going.
Thank you, I feel much better.
Once you have tried the simpler practice scenarios, we suggest trying a more complex scenario like the layperson scenario. And these are covered in more detail in other videos. You can exit the application by touching the exit button in the top right hand corner of the menu.